Hey there guys, in this tutorial we'll be learning how to set up a lifecycle policy for an S3 bucket. So then you'd ask me, why do we need a lifecycle policy? Well, as you can see, the implementation of lifecycle policies in S3 is one of the best ways to make sure that your data is being maintained and managed in a safe environment without undergoing any unwanted costs, and that your data is being cleaned up and deleted the moment it no longer is required for use. Now, how to set up a lifecycle policy. The process is very easy, so follow the steps in this tutorial to easily set up your first lifecycle policy. Now, first off, you'll need to sign into the Amazon S3 console and you click on Bucket. From there, you choose the name of the bucket which you'd like to implement the lifecycle policy for and go with Testing Tutorials. Then we click on Management. And as we can see in the list of available lifecycle rules, there are no ones added. So you'll need to click on Add Lifecycle Rule to start your very first one. First off, we will need to add a name for our rule. Let's say delete unwanted. Now, to choose a rule scope, you could either make the rule work on specific prefixes or tags and objects in your bucket to specify them, or apply it to all the objects in the bucket. Let's go with applying to all objects in the bucket, and we click on the next button. Now for the storage class transition, you might either go with it or skip it and go to next. This is it pre-requests fees when using lifecycle to transition data to any S3 or Glacier storage class. So you will have to pay fees when attempting to transition your storage from S3 or S3 Glacier storage classes. Okay, you could either go with current version or previous versions and select the type of transition you'd like to go to. So if you choose, as we said, a Glacier or Glacier Deep Archive, you will have to pay more fees for this to do. So let's not do this and click on next. Now for configuring expiration, we could either go with the current version or the previous versions. Now, for the current version, expire current version of objects. When would you like your objects to expire? After how many days? So let's say you only need your object to stick around for 30 days. After 30 days from their creation, they will expire and be deleted on their own. Now, to clean up expired object, delete markers and incomplete multi-part uploads. Okay, so you cannot enable cleanup expired object delete marks if you enable expiration. So in case you'd like to do the things manually, you do not click on this. You simply clean up expired objects, delete markers, you add them. Whenever you'd like to delete, you delete them on your own. And clean up incomplete multi-part uploads, the ones that are failed, you delete them after how many days you selected here, as much as you'd like. 2 days, 21 days, you select how many days you'd like and you click on next. Now, for the review page, you go ahead and go over all the information that you have set. In case you think something is missing or something needs to be changed, you click on edit or go to the previous pages and change them. Now, as you can see, it's giving us a warning here to stay alert. This rule applies to all objects in the bucket. This means every single object that is found in the bucket will be will get an object delete marker, or if you have set it to expire, they will expire after the amount of days that you have specified. So you click on I acknowledge that this lifecycle rule will apply to all objects in my bucket, and you click on save. And you will see that your new lifecycle policy is added right over here. Now, of course, if you'd like to delete this lifecycle policy, you simply click on it and you click delete and confirm. There we go.